Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a vault door with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin the tutorial with a 6x10 plate. We're going to start building the footings for our wall and door frame. I'm going to place 5 2x2 flat tiles. On the top portion we are skipping a set of studs. This is going to be used to not only create a floor for our door, but also to set the door on. We'll place 3 more 2x2 flat tiles in this area and a set of 1x2 plates in these 2 areas. Now let's begin building up our wall with 2 1x2 bricks. Then I'm going to place a 1x2 brick on the right hand side, and on the left hand side a modified 1x2 brick with holder. We'll have the holder facing this way over the 5 tiles. Then I'm going to proceed on with a 1x2 brick on the left and a 1x1 brick on the right. I left this spot open for a control panel, so we're going to take a 1x1 brick with 1 stud and a little keypad. I'm going to place the keypad tile on the stud. We're going to set that right in this 1x1 opening. Then we're going to proceed on with a 1x2 brick on the right hand side, and on the left a modified 1x2 brick with holder. Now it depends on the style of your door frame. I'm going to use a 1x8x2 arch. I'm going to place this right on the top. And to fill in these 2 areas, stack 2 1x1 bricks on top of one another. We're going to make 2 columns and place these in these areas. Then I'm going to crown off the top of the arch and the 1x1 brick columns with a 1x10 brick, and we're going to finish off the top with a 1x6 and 1x4 flat tiles. For the vault door, start with a 6x6 plate. I'm going to place a 1x4 plate on the bottom right where it's hanging over by 1 stud, and let's slip in a 1x3 plate in that area. And we're going to proceed on with a 2x6 plate. We're going to flip this over, and in this area a 1x4 plate. We're going to flip it back over again, and we're going to slide in a 1x6 plate in this area. Now we're going to proceed on with the bottom left with a 1x3 plate, and right in the middle 3 1x6 flat tiles. Now this is going to give our door a bit more of a 3-dimensional look. And right here a 1x6 plate. Now for the hinge, take 2 1x2 modified plates with stick. We're going to place these right here and a 1x2 plate in that area. Let's finish off the face of the door, starting on the top with a 1x6 flat tile and a 1x1 flat tile. And on the right hand side a 1x6 flat tile, and just for a bit of creativity, 3 1x2 pearl silver radiator grills. Here on the bottom a 1x3 flat tile, and we're going to place 3 more 1x2 radiator grills on the left hand side, and on the far left, to lock the hinges together, 1x6 flat tile to complete the vault door. Now let's set our 1x2 plates with sticks in these 1x2 bricks with holders. Now I'm going to have this door sitting right on the tiles, and I'm just going to hold on this side here, and I'm just going to snap that door into place. It goes in real easy, and we're going to close it, make sure it's sitting on the ground. You don't have to have it sitting on the tiles, but I always choose to make it look like it's more finished. And there is our vault door. It opens up and it is scaled for minifigures. We have Jay the Surfer. He can hide all the surfboards in here. Hope he doesn't forget his combinations. He can just press a few buttons and this door will open up, and he can just walk right on inside.